Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Chevrolet Cruze versus the Honda Civic. We'll explore what makes each of these popular compact cars a strong contender in its class. Understanding their core strengths, from comfort to performance, is key. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of which vehicle might best suit your driving needs and preferences. Let's dive into the details. When it comes to performance, the Cruze often provides a smooth ride, frequently powered by a turbocharged 1.4-liter engine. The Civic, however, is known for its responsive handling and a variety of engine choices, including a robust 2.0-liter option. Both offer impressive fuel efficiency, with many models achieving over 30 miles per gallon combined. Your driving style will influence which feels better. Inside, the Chevrolet Cruze generally offers a straightforward and comfortable cabin, often with an intuitive infotainment system. The Honda Civic typically boasts a more modern and refined interior design, using quality materials throughout. Both vehicles provide good passenger room for a compact car, ensuring comfort on longer journeys. They also offer various technology and safety features to enhance your driving experience. Regarding reliability and value, the Honda Civic consistently receives high marks in long-term dependability, often ranking among the top compact cars. The Chevrolet Cruze also offers solid performance and competitive warranty options, with some models showing good reliability. Both cars tend to hold their value well over time, making them smart investments. Ultimately, your decision might come down to personal preference for driving feel, specific features, and long-term ownership priorities. Choose wisely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.